Hi, Michael Fedlin, President of Armor Glass. Have you ever wondered what happens to your residential window when you're gone and someone wants to break in? I'm going to show you how fragile the glass you have, you think secure, is not, and how by using this special film that Armor Glass sells, comes in both clear and a tint, like the tint, by putting this on the back side of this with a special bonding around the edge that anchors it to the frame, you're making the regular window an impact window. You're armoring the glass to make it stronger to avoid breach. Studies have shown, like a hurricane, once it breaks a window with wind-borne debris, that's the uplift on the roof, blows the walls out, the roof out. On a burglar, all they do is one whack, they're in and they're out in less than a minute. They're going straight for the master bedroom, the jewelry, whatnot, and they're gone before anybody's going to come. Let me say that again. We're also putting this on schools for shooter protection. Doesn't stop the bullet, but it does stop the shooter. Now, I'm going to show you right now how easy it is for a burglar or a piece of wind-borne debris to break your regular window, right? You think you're secure? Well, hey, I don't think so. They're in, they're getting the stuff, they're gone in a minute. That's what everybody has with a regular piece of glass. You got nothing. And so Armor Glass is going to be on the same type of frame right here. It's going to be the next thing you see. Stand by for a big difference. All right. Same window as before, same window frame, same everything, except on this one, there's Armor Glass security film on the inside of this, anchored with a special silicone sealant to bond it, anchor it to the edge. So now you got a burglar coming in, and is he getting through? No. That's Armor Glass. Damn it. Ah. I hate being a burglar when Armor Glass is on the damn window. I can't get in. Now that is amazing, folks. That is the same window that you just saw blow out with only that film, 8mm Armor Glass security film on the back with bonding. You can see I've broken it. I'm bashing it. I don't even have a hole yet. I'm still trying to get through it. I'm making enough noise to wake up God in the neighborhood. And guess what? You still got security. And guess what? The broken glass is flying at the burglar. On this other side, it's still smooth film. No hurty. You don't have to worry about the kids getting into it, the dog getting into it. The glass is on the outside, the film's on the inside. That is the difference Armor Glass security film makes. Don't leave home without it. Have a good day.